Don't sing without warming up, but do sing with a proper vocal warm-up. So how do you actually properly warm up? Well, you want to do some body stretches, you want to do some laryngeal massage, and you want to do some really good SOVT, or what we call semi-occluded vocal tract vocal warm-ups. A couple of examples of this is your bubbles and also bubbling with a straw in water. So let me do some and then you come along with me, okay? We'll warm up together. So the first one is on a very light and gentle bubble, like this. All right, and then with the straw into the water, like this.